What's up, my beautiful people? And this is the 4x100 meter relay taking place tonight. The USA will be battling Jamaica tonight, and trust me, the Jamaicans are gonna be the winner. Yeah, this is my prediction. Now, before I continue with this video, in case this happens to be your first time here, please do me a favor to first like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And there's actually a good news right now, because I heard rumors that both Sherika and Shelly and Fraser Fries will be active in the race tonight. Well, I do not know whether this is confidential. I think it is just a rumor, but let's see if Shelly and Sherika will show up, because if they end up showing up, trust me, the Jamaicans are going to win the gold medal. But for now, my prediction is still Jamaica first position, USA second position, and Great Britain are going to take the third place. Do not forget that Tia Clinton, the youngest, fastest Jamaican sprinter, will be active also. Now, these are the teams that will be running today in the women 4x100 meter relay. We have USA, we have Great Britain, we have France, we have Jamaica, we have Belgium, we have Netherlands, we have Ireland, and we have Canada. And like I said earlier on, the USA would take the gold medal. The Jamaica would take the gold medal, USA silver medal, and Great Britain bronze medal. Mind you, this is just my prediction. Now let me hear your prediction in the comment section. Which team do you believe will take the gold, silver, and bronze? Let me hear your opinion in the comment section, because my opinion says that Jamaica will win the gold medal only if Shelly and Sherika end up showing up. Yes, so let me hear your own prediction. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel.